Curbside Crafts Farms.
Hi boys and girls, it's Miss Kelly from the library. I'm so glad you joined us today for Curbside Crafts. Our theme this week is farms. That's why I'm wearing my farmer shirt. Our first story is actually what happens when the animals do something fun when the farmer goes to sleep at night. It's called Punk Farm. Get ready to rock and roll.
Punk Farm by Krozoska. Farmer Joe works hard all day long. At the end of the day, Farmer Joe is tired and heads home for bed. Farmer Joe's animals are sleepy too, but are they getting ready for bed? Not tonight. They have a show to get ready for. Cow sets up her drums. Pig plugs in his amp. Chicken sets up her keyboards. Goat tunes his bass. Sheep checks the microphone. Testing, 1, 2, 3. Okay, gang, tonight's the big night. Let's go over some songs before this place gets packed. In the middle of practice, Cow stops drumming. Guys, she says, the farmer's light is on. The animals freeze. The microphone screeches. Footsteps can be heard in the distance. Will they get caught? Not tonight. The light goes off and Punk Farm finishes their rehearsal. Outside, animals wait in line and buy tickets. Everyone is eager for the show to start. Are you guys ready? Asked Sheep. I was born ready, said Pig. Whatever, dude, says Goat. I'm nervous, says Chicken. Let's do this, says Cow. Sheep asked the crowd, who's ready to rock? And they go crazy. A 1, 2, a 1, 2, 3, 4. Old Macdonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a cow, E-I-E-I-O. With a boom crash here and a boom boom there, here a boom, there a crash, everywhere a crash crash. Old Macdonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a pig, E-I-E-I-O. With a ray-roo here and a ree-ree there, here around there, roo, everywhere a ray-roo. Old Macdonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a chicken, E-I-E-I-O. With a beep beep here and a bop beep there, here beep, there beep, everywhere beep beep. Old Macdonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a goat, E-I-E-I-O. With a broom broom here and a ba-doom there, here broom, there broom, everywhere ba-doom. Punk Farm wails on their instruments one last time and delivers a blazing finale. E-I, E-I, yo, wow, wow, wow. Thank you, Wisconsin, and good night. Soon the sun rises, and so does Farmer Joe. He heads over to the barn for a big day of work. The end.
Wow, those animals could really wail on those instruments. I loved it. Our second book is very similar, except for this one is about what horses do when the farmer's not around. This story is called Horseplay. It's really funny.
Horseplay by Karma Wilson. One day while Farmer worked his fields, he cried, for goodness sake, these horses are a worthless bunch, they just can't stay awake. And it was true, they snored out loud, they slept the whole day long. Farmer cried, I'm mystified, something must be wrong. Maybe they're scared at night. Have wolves been prowling free? I haven't heard them howling, but I'll watch tonight and see. He spied from back behind the hay, and what he saw was pure horseplay. Those horses didn't sleep one bit. They frolicked on the loose. They joined in games like hide and seek, leapfrog, and duck, duck, goose. Donkey tried to play along, but soon began to wail when all the horses gathered round to play some pin the tail. Farmer shouted, "I declare you horses have no sense." He shooed them back into the barn, then padlocked their fence. "I'm the boss, and what I say is absolutely no horse play." But come next day, the horses dozed. They didn't work at all. Farmer said, "Now what on earth?" I bolted shut their stall. That night when Farmer locked them up, he didn't go to sleep. He snuck into the barn to spy and hid out with the sheep. The horses shuffled decks of cards and passed out poker chips. They handed out some veggie trays and 7-layer dips. "So this is why you snooze all day. I thought I told you no horse play." He tied them up at separate pens. "This silliness is done. Now go to bed," the farmer said, "and no more having fun." But still those horses didn't work. They acted just as lazy. The farmer shouted, "There's no doubt you're gonna drive me crazy." He hid out with the hens that night and watched as down below his horses wrote out silly notes and tossed them to and fro. And so Farmer stomped, Farmer stormed, Farmer yelled, "That's it!" Farmer ranted, Farmer raved, Farmer threw a fit. Farmer fussed, Farmer fumed, Farmer said, "Okay, you really want a horse around? Go on, make my day." Farmer guarded, Farmer glared. He stayed until first light, and not one horse would dare to play. They had to sleep all night. Farmer shouted, "Hip, hip, hooray! I've put an end to all horse play." The horses felt like colts again. They walked with heads held high. But Farmer's eyes were strangely red. He sighed a sleepy sigh. Farmer slumped down in the grass. "I think I'll rest a spell. I didn't sleep a wink last night, and I don't feel too well." Before too long, poor Farmer snored. And while he slept all day, the horses took their bridles off and crept away to play, 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 play. The end.
Wow, those horses had a lot of fun at night. I think I'd like living on a farm. Now we're going to go over the crafts that you received in your bag this week. Let's go have some fun making crafts. The first craft that you received this week is this really cute piggy bank, and you'll be getting 4 paints: red, white, orange, and blue. You can either use the paints as they are, or you can mix and match your colors. I'm going to paint my piggy bank orange with blue spots. As you can see, I painted my pig first orange, I let the paint dry, then I did blue spots. They're not quite dry yet, but they will be soon. Let me see what kind of awesome ideas you come up with for your pig. The next project you'll find in your bag is a notebook. You'll either get a cow, a pig, or a chicken. This part right here is the notebook, and these are stickers you're going to put on the notebook to make it look like an animal. Let's try it. So as you can see, I took all of my pieces apart and I took the stickers off the back. You may need a grown-up's help for that. And now I'm going to put all my pieces together to make a pig. Let's see, let's put the eyes on here and the nose. And he's got 2 cute little ears. Wow, I'm really excited. My little pig notebook looks really cute. The last craft you will receive is a scratch art animal. Using the stick provided, you can make all kinds of designs. I did some swirls and some stripes. Thanks for joining us, boys and girls. Hope to see you soon. Bye.